What would happen if two black holes collided? Recently, something particularly amusing happened. Two gigantic black holes in the universe accidentally collided and merged into one cosmic behemoth. The merging process shook the entire universe. In the entire universe, this would normally be considered an extremely terrifying extreme event. But what made people burst into laughter was that the newly merged black hole was actually flung away by the powerful recoil force generated during their merging process, reaching a speed of 2,321 kilometers per second. So, just how fast is that? It can be understood this way: the newly merged black hole will eventually become a pitiful and tragic wandering black hole. This event, both amusing and shocking, is the GW1509-14 cosmic level black hole merger event. These two black holes are cosmic giants, with one having a mass 60 times that of Saturn and the other 25 times that of Saturn. These two behemoths were originally frolicking on the same orbit, having a great time, and perhaps they got carried away, as neither of them noticed each other in the end. Due to the consumption of balancing forces, they became smaller, which led to them getting closer and closer, eventually colliding and forming a super black hole. However, at the moment of merging, it caused a powerful distortion in the fabric of spacetime, generating strong gravitational waves that spread to every corner of the universe like ripples on a lake. It took a long time, but finally, on February 21, 2019, it was captured by the Hubble telescope, and only then did humanity have the fortune to learn about this astonishing black hole merger event. After analysis by scientists, it was determined that the immense reactive force generated after these two merged directly propelled the new black hole away. So the question arises, where is this ejected black hole now?